So our next warm-up is again on the order of operations, but this time we've added in a couple of integers, since you now should know, or at least be starting to know, how to add integers. So here we are. We're still going to make sure that we are considering the order of operations. It's very important to do that. So we know the first thing we do is parentheses. So we know right here is what we're going to do, and I'm going to underline everything we're not going to do. So I've got negative 5 plus 2 times 7 minus 8 divided by 2. Remember, I've told you that it doesn't matter if we bring that down first or if we do the actual operation in parentheses first. So I've got positive 1 plus negative 9. So that's like saying it's 1 degree out and it goes down 9 degrees. What's the temperature going to be? Well, it would be negative 8 degrees. So that's the P parentheses. We've got all of those done. Next would be exponents. In this particular problem, there aren't any exponents, so that's already all set. So we move right on to multiplication and division. Don't forget, in order from left to right. I still see some of you doing all the multiplication before the division. So please be careful of that. So as I go from left to right, just like I read across my problem, the first thing I run into is 2 times 7. 2 times 7, we know, is 14. We'll bring down the rest of the problem. I'm not done with the multiplication and division because I now see that going from left to right, I've got a division problem right here. So underlining the rest of that, this is the stuff I'm going to bring down. I've got 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2, of course, is 4, plus that negative 8 at the end here. No more multiplication and division, so next I move on to addition and subtraction, again from left to right. Some of you want to grab some of them that look easier to do, but you simply can't do that. You need to go in order from left to right. So negative 5 plus 14. So again, using that temperature analogy, if it's negative 5 degrees and the temperature goes up 14, what's the temperature going to be outside? Of course, it would be positive 9 degrees. I sure hope it doesn't get this cold this winter. Mrs. De Silva does not like the cold. Okay, next, going from left to right, we've got 9 minus 4, which everybody should know is 5, plus negative 8. And here we are back with those negatives. I've got that positive 5 plus negative 8. If I've got, let's say, $5 and I try to spend 8, that means I now owe somebody $3. So that would be a negative 3. Our final answer here is negative 3.